Never let the complexity of charting scare you away. I love this quote by Albert Einstein. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex, and more violent. It takes a touch of genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. Now, the reason I put complexity in quotes is when you break everything down, there is nothing super complicated about charting. All charting or technical analysis is the creation of a workspace of graphical representations of price movements of stocks and ETFs over time. Now, charts use indicators to produce these graphical representations, and they're nothing more than arithmetic formulas that are typically not very complicated in and of themselves. The key to effective technical analysis is to develop simple charts that allow you to accurately follow price movement. And of course, that's what we work on here every day at chartingwealth.com. If you will just join us 10 to 15 minutes every day, see what we are talking about with the 4 ETFs we track: gold, 20-year government bonds, U.S. government bonds, 2 indexes, 2 stock indexes, the S&P 500, Standard & Poor's 500, 500 big international companies. A lot of the volume of the market is there, along with the NASDAQ 100, which again are the tech stocks. We track those every day. You can see the simple workspace that we have put together. We blow away those fears of complexity. But it's always important, always to remember the simple goal of charting. That is to accurately predict price movement by following established trends. We don't try to create trends. You can't create them. They have to be created by the complicated marketplace. But when you see those trends setting up and moving in directions, then of course that's when we jump in and follow them. You can't make things complex. If you do, you'll simply be overwhelmed, and it'll prevent you from acting in an accurate manner to follow price. Now, we keep it simple but incredibly powerful, because in the end, think about it, it's a binary decision. That's all you're trying to figure out is the stock or ETF that you're following and going to practice trade going to go up or down? Do you buy? Do you sell? It's just that simple, yet it can get that complicated if you let it. And the trick is not to do that. The trick is to keep things simple, to not be the intelligent fool that makes things bigger and more complex, as Albert Einstein told us. And that's what we stay away from. We want to be the intelligent trader and investor who can complete successful practice trade after practice trade, because we keep it simple and follow the charts. Every day we are here for you, following the charts at chartingwealth.com. Go there, sign up for our daily review for free. It'll come to you every day in your email, links to the special trainings that we put out to help you understand what it is we do and to keep it as simple as possible. Thanks so much for being with us. Always love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. God bless from the whole team here at Charting Wealth.